Scammers and hackers, they are everywhere, and if you're not aware of them, you can be the very next victim. In the past couple of months, few of my cousins, friends, and random people contacted me for help after they got scammed or hacked, and the damage was sometimes big and irreversible. Luckily, I got few of these emails. Some of them contain a phishing link that you click on the link, you put your details, and the hacker will be waiting for you on the other side to steal them. And a few other emails, uh, they contain some malicious files that you open, and then the virus spread on your computer, lock and encrypt all your files and steal your data. In this video, I will show you the steps you should do to reveal the spammers even from tricky emails, as well as how to block these bad people. And of course, I will be playing with some viruses to see what they can do. So before we start, if cybersecurity and technology are an interesting topic for you, make sure you subscribe to this channel and turn the notification on to stay up to date on every news. And let's jump on my computer. As you can see here, I have here 3 phishing emails and 2 malicious emails. Phishing emails contain usually a phishing link or just a message saying that we are, let's say, a government department and we would like some information from you. Please send them to, let's say, this email so we can update your information, blah blah blah, and they steal your information like that. For example, here I have an interested one. This one, I received this email after the earthquake that happened in Turkey and Syria. And they are asking for money, donations and money and stuff like that. These 2 emails here I have, they contain malicious file that we will be investigating together. Now, before I start, you might say like, okay, why you're doing this? Like, just block these people, right? You can just block these people. So let's try to block this this sender together. Block sender, and you will get an error here saying the email address or domain name you entered is not valid. Valid entries include email or domain. And basically, if you come here to see who sent this email, you will notice that there is absolutely no details at all. There is no email. So basically this email is emailless. There is no email. Actually, there is email, of course. So there is sender. But the sender here is hidden, and we have to investigate more to get into this sender to block it. So I will show you the steps that I usually do to investigate this type of things. If I open this email on this Outlook, I can open it. You don't have appropriate permission to perform this operation. Also, if you want to save the file, you can't save it. It's also, you can't save it. You cannot save the attachment. You don't have appropriate permission. Okay, don't worry, we have a solution for this. So of course, as usual, I open my sandbox. So let's keep it like this so we don't get confused. This is my sandbox, and I highly recommend you guys to have a sandbox if you want to play with viruses. Because whatever happened inside the sandbox, we can just reset the sandbox, right? While if you play with the virus on your own computer, on your host, then if the virus spread, then good luck with that. So let's start by downloading one of these. Okay, so as I showed you before, on the Outlook, we can't download anything, right? It gives us an error. While here, if I open on the web browser on Edge, on Google Chrome, I can actually download the file. And this is the tricky thing about this file. It only works when you download it from a browser. So let's open here this file, extract it, it's coming as a zip, and let's see what's inside it actually. So there's obviously a PDF, or you might think this is a PDF because obviously there's the logo of the PDF and it's saying PDF. So let's go to properties and we notice this is an application. So it's an application. It's pretending to be as like a PDF. Now I will open my Sandboxy. Sandboxy, it's a free tool that you can download it on your computer and try some softwares before they got installed on your computer. I will show you what does that mean. So let's first put here Sandboxy inside. Let's put the file inside Sandboxy and open it. We will notice that order list inquiry pdf.exe, which is executable. This is a executable, not a PDF. Here we can see the order list inquiry. It's going to the registry and changing the flags. I'm not going through this today. I will do this in another video, but I just want to show you that this is a malicious file. Now let's go to virus total and put it there. So it's 49. So it's basically a malicious file. Another way is to go to hybrid analysis, which is a sandbox, cloud sandbox. Okay. And then hybrid analysis I will put Windows 10. Hybrid analysis will analyze this file and tell us about the outcome. So here we go. It's 100% at CrowdStrike. Virus total 74. Hill is giving 49 over 66, which is 74%. Okay. Then if you wait a little bit, you will get the full analysis. What I like about a hybrid analysis, it's totally for free and it's actually fast. It's fast and free. Okay, so now we know that this file is malicious. So we need to block this sender. So how to block the sender? And this is the one of the issues here. We have this sender and we can't find the email anywhere. So what to do? In this case, always you come to the email and you open the email, double click on it, then you go to file, properties, and you get the internet headers, all of them from the beginning to the end. Right click, copy, you go to the browser and you go to mxtoolbox.com, mstoolbox.com, and then you click on analyze header. There's many tools here, the dmark, the email has, the DNS lookup, and many things. You go to analyze headers and you paste your headers here and we click on analyze. You give it a few seconds and then you will get few information that we don't really need. What we need is here, headers found, and you will see return path, and this is the actual sender, orders and tenders at fawa.blah blah blah. So this is the sender. So what we do now, we go to Outlook or whatever, if it's Google what you use, and then we go to junk or email, but it depends if you're using Google, and then we will add the email here to block it, and that's it. This email will be with the blocked sender. Apply, okay, and that's it. We blocked this sender. Let's do another one, this one. Double click, file, properties, get everything, email header, again, analyze, go down a bit, headers found, you grab the sender, you go to Outlook, junk, block sender, you add it, that's it. We block the sender. And this is how we basically block the emailless, the sender of an emailless email, which is basically, it's not really emailless, it's just a hidden email that, as you can see, like as you notice here, there is no emails at all. I hope this video was informative for you. I know there's a lot of scammers and phishers nowadays, and there's different types of phishing emails that you might receive. I will do like another video about cyber awareness, so it will be in another video, and I will show you how to read the email and to know if it's legit or not, because sometimes, for example, we see info-amazon.com or info.amazon.com. So which one is legit? Which one is not? One of them is actually legit, it's from Amazon. But which one is legit? Which one is not? How to know them? How to block them? All of this will be in a different video. Hope this video was informative for you. How to block the senders, especially if it's hidden, like these emails. Don't forget to give me a like. If you have any comments, leave them in the comments below. I'm happy always to reply to you. See you in the next video. Peace.